Hi guys, hi beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Grace Lee and hello. In today's video, what I'm going to be doing is my eyebrow tutorial. So before I get into this video, remember to like, comment, subscribe, turn on that post notification bell, and share my channel with everybody that you know. this is how my eyebrows came out. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys learned a thing or two. I definitely believe that my eyebrow tutorial is simple and easy and not too difficult, and I hope you guys can understand everything that I do and that you put what I did into practice. Let me know if you guys do eyebrows the same way. If you don't, well, show me what you guys do. Let me know what you guys do. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. God bless you.